Hello you beautiful peeps, my name's John. Welcome to my channel and a happy new year to you all. Firstly, thank you to Makerfire for sending this SCY 16103 Pro Brushless. That's right, ladies and gents, this is the Pro version, and right off the bat there is a problem. We have a brushless system. This car can go over 70 kilometers an hour, allegedly. I don't know whether that's on the original 2S battery or 3S. I suspect 3S, but we will find out. But they installed friction shocks. It's the Pro version, ladies and gents, and they've installed friction shocks. So before you turn off and go, I'm not interested in that, the very first thing I did was change to some 144 shocks, ladies and gents. So we have oil-filled shocks in these. The reason being, let me show you the footage. As you can see right now, with the friction shocks, it's landing and bouncing up and down like it's on a pogo stick. And with the oil-filled shocks, it lands and stays planted. So with the friction shocks, this is technically a toy, but because I've now put oil-filled shocks on, I can confidently say that this is now the Pro version. So if you buy this car, please buy oil-filled shocks at the same time, or fit them if you've already got them at home before you drive it. If you drive it with the friction shocks, you're just going to be disappointed. So you have been warned. I think this car is going to be fabulous with the oil-filled shocks, but obviously we'll find out together. Now, the cost of this today with the code John Robinson RC is 117 US dollars, 111 euros. But again, before you turn off going, too expensive, for those that are in America or Asia or anywhere that isn't Europe, basically, you're not paying the tax on that. So it takes it to just under 100 US dollars, which I think for a brushless buggy, I don't think, or truggy should I say, I don't think that's a bad price at all. So, ladies and gents, shall we just get on and see how good it is? And yes, I forgot to mention about the controller, bog standard controller. It does, however, have, what have we got? Low, medium and high settings on this, so we'll keep that in mind. And it's obviously got the 3-channel for the LED lights on it. And there is also this here, which is a few stickers, charger, and the usual tools and the instruction booklet. I do have a surprise at the end of this video. Makerfire were kind enough to send something else in the box for me, and that's going to lead to my next video that I'll tell you at the end of this video, so make sure you keep on watching. Let's get on. So ladies and gents, you see the lights there, as you can see, pressing channel 3 flashes them. I think they're now off, and then I'll turn them back on. Excellent. So I have it set to low. I thought we could see how fast it goes. Say you want your kids to drive it. Let's go! Okay, that's faster than I thought for low. All right, I'm fed up with that. Let's put it on high. Sheesh! That, ladies and gents, is very powerful. That's difficult. Full throttle. Can you imagine with the original friction shocks? Yeah! I meant to do that. It's going to be fast, isn't it? Love it! I suspect, ladies and gents, if I'm not mistaken, that these tyres... Oh, I was going to say I thought the tyres would be a bit hard, but maybe they just need to be bed in a little bit. I mean, we are on the surface that we know is that fine sand on top, so that explains it. But we are going to go over to the tarmac to see what speeds we can get on it. Let's go! So, ladies and gents, just to let you know, what I have done is I put it down to medium. Due to the fact that this surface is so slippery, I'm hoping that that will give us a nice mix of grip and control. Let's see, shall we? Oh, that's better. Don't know what speed we're going to get, but it looks like it could be 70. That's better. Oh! I'm not going to run, Colin. I know you want me to do the silly run, and I'm not going to, because I know you're still recording. So we've come to the tarmac area to see what speed we can get going, and as you can see here, that's my walking speed, 5.6 kilometers an hour. So anything higher than that is a win. I don't know. Yes, it was quite fast on the gravel over there, but I don't know if it's going to get to 70 kilometers an hour. Certainly not here, but remember that we have taken something out of this battery. I do have a new battery, so we can check afterwards. But on the controller, I put it up to high already, as you can tell. So let's see, shall we? Oh, that's faster than I expected. I think it's just run out of power. Okay, this is the other 2S battery in, and as you can see, we are set to 0 on the GPS. Let's go. That definitely seems faster. So what speed do you reckon, Colin?
48.
Oh. We have an issue, ladies and gents. What's going on? Oh, we don't have an issue. Oh, we do. There's a small stone in there. Door. Nice. What speed did you say?
48.
48. Let's have a look. No way. You have to be cheating now, Colin. That is redonkulous. Okay, 47.3, ladies and gentlemen. So definitely not the 70 that they're advertising, but I assume that has to be with the 3S. But keep in mind that the 70 would then be with the 3S battery, but you are not officially allowed to use the 3S battery on it, unfortunately. It will take it, but they don't recommend it. But let's just do one more quick run, and then we'll see. 47.9, so there was a little bit left in it. Okay. So ladies and gents, what do you think of that? I was actually quite surprised on how much grip it had on the tarmac, considering how it was handling on the gravel there. But as I said, that gravel area is quite difficult to judge just because it's so slippery. But for under $100 for a brushless car that can potentially go 70 kilometers an hour, I think is not a bad deal at all. Now, at the start of this video, I did explain to you that there was a little surprise in the box, which is a set of tires. And it's in fact the paddle tires. Now, some of you out here may have already seen the video. Yes, you know who you are. Somebody has driven this car with the 3S battery and these specific tires over a lake. Now, unfortunately, here in Malta, while we're surrounded by water, we actually don't have very many lakes that have an entrance flat and an exit flat. But what we have found is over in Bizabuja, there is a curved beach. So we could technically drive off the beach, across the sea, and back up the other side of the beach. Yes, I know it sounds crazy. And that is basically the only place that we can think of doing this test. So the next video with this specific car will be a 3S battery, these tires, and John going swimming in the sea, because I honestly don't think it's gonna make it across, but I have been wrong before, as you know. So make sure you look out for that video, hit that subscribe button. Links for this car is in the description below. Stay safe, take care, bye-bye.
Ooh.